How to start a chicken farm business. 1. Formulate a business plan. This is one of the most important things to draw up as part of your operation. It tells of what goals you wish to achieve and how you intend to get there. 2. Have land, capital, and equipment. You cannot start up nor maintain a chicken farm or a chicken farming business without these dire necessities. 3. Make a decision how to best raise your chickens. There are two main ways to raise them. Conventional systems have chickens confined to barns that are temperature and photoperiod controlled areas. 4. Decide what sectors of the poultry industry you wish to pursue. Ultimately, there are two types to choose from: broilers, which are chickens raised for meat, or layers, chickens raised for their eggs. 5. Find a niche market if possible. If the area you are in is popular for raising chickens a certain way, you may wish to pursue a niche market that targets the consumer's interest in free-range chickens rather than the conventionally raised ones. 6. Make yourself known to potential customers and consumers. Advertise yourself by simply letting other people know you have eggs or meat you want to sell. 7. Keep up with records and accounting of your business and operation. This is so that you can always tell if you are making money or not. And 8. Raise your animals in accordance with local, state, provincial, and federal law.